Okay, Huimin.
Oh, you start already?
You see whatever is in front of you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so do you recognize this?
Yes. Don't want to poke. Come on.
Yeah, so you played before, right?
Yes.
Why do you think this thing is here today?
I don't know. Why?
Do you want to guess?
No, I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. Why?
Okay, so Huimin, here is your first mission for today, okay? It is to play the pop-up pirate, and you have to put in as many swords as possible without having toy to bounce out lah. And for each sword that you put in, we will reward you with $1.
Okay. $1. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And so the sword is underneath the table.
Okay, I think it's
Okay,
Wait, why do I get money?
It's a reward lah. Okay, so yeah, because like you know we understand that you have been like working really hard for like the past 2 episodes.
Thanks.
Yeah, and like you know you're putting a lot of effort.
So can I start? I can start. You know I got play with Cindy before. Okay, $1. I think the thing. No. 2 3 4 5. Wow, no bad. I'm getting richer already. 11 12. I think it's the bottom part of the book. 14. Is it? 15.
So Huimin, the amount that you'll be receiving will be $15. So now here is your next mission, okay? Using the amount of money that will be given to you, which is $15 that you have earned by yourself, you will have to buy yourself a proper meal for the whole day.
Using the amount of money that will be given to you, you'll have to buy the ingredients to make yourself a proper meal. The cost will be solely restricted on food and ingredients. It must be a proper meal, so no snacks.
Let's start!
Okay, so now we are at the sauce aisle, and I'm gonna choose the very cheap one. Actually quite expensive, $3.65. Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna get the carbonara mushroom. 360. 340 for two. For two 3块4， so 一个3块4啦，是不是？是 right？ 很贵嘞，这么贵，哇啦，生气耶。I like linguine, so I'll get linguine. 5块6， so 我还有10块，可以啦 I guess. Okay, I want to get cheese. What's so expensive 耶 How You all got cheese? What if I give you all something in return? No? Okay. 等一下我 poison 你。I want to buy butter mushroom also. 15块 minus 5块6. So I got 940. If I buy the cheese, then I can't even buy my 料 eh. But then baked rice and pasta must have cheese one what? I buy this sliced cheese lah. No, just kidding. 可是我不要 poke 错 hole 了。So angry. Okay, we go see other 料 first, okay? I want butter mushroom. Let's go. Wow, very sad I don't have cheese yeah. But legit, where's the mushroom Legit question, 你懂那个 mushroom 在哪里吗？ Butter mushroom. Oh wait, it's canned what the hell? Am I stupid? Lol. I found it! This is like the most pathetic pasta ever. I need cheese though. Wait, I very panic now. How? La, 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 la. For pizza, but still cheese. Oh, $3. I'm gonna add all the cheese inside. I think $1 can buy rice, right? Can or not?
Hello.
可以 just 买一包饭吗？哦 ，OK， 不用紧。
So Huimin, here is your white rice.
Wow, very nice. How
And
much
it's
you
50
charge?
cents.
50 cents I got $1.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Okay guys, so now I'm back with the ingredients. So basically I bought cheese, linguine, cheese sausage. I bought like 1 packet of rice, pasta sauce, and butter mushroom. And I'm left with 75 cents, so I think I did pretty great. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the pasta first, okay? So I'm gonna pour like 3/4 Okay, I'm gonna pour all the water inside. So next, they normally add salt. I don't know what's the purpose, but I'm gonna add 2 like this. So I'm gonna add, I eat a bit only, so maybe like this. You know, let's kidding. I scared I put too much. Then we let it sit for like 10 minutes. So let's move on to preparing the sauce. Okay, so now I'm gonna prepare the ingredient. Okay, so I have my chopping board here, my knife. So magic. What's so cool one?
It's upside down.
Sorry, I thought it was like a cool design. Okay, my bad. I'm gonna use a spoon. Don't need to cut so nice. Can eat can already. I open this first. Prepare. In case you type. This one's because I never exercise. It's very annoying. This is what my mama do. Hey, it's a life hack. Okay guys, so now I've drained my pasta. So I'm gonna leave it one side and I'm gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna throw the liao first because I need to cook them for a while. Then I throw the sauce, then I throw cheese, then I throw the pasta. Perfect. So I'm gonna throw my sausage. Cook it for like 1 more minute. Then you throw the sauce. After that, you can put a bit of the water. As you can see, it's like very watery. But do not fear. You can always add cheese to make it not so watery. Oh, I bought a pizza topping cheese because this is the cheapest I can find compared to what mozzarella, all those. So I'm just like, it's still cheese, you know. Nice, right? For this one. Pour the pasta inside the sauce. Wow, take a look, take a look. I think it's not bad. You plate it. I'm gonna make nice. Okay, so now I'll be testing my pasta. Okay? So I get each of everything. It's so good. I can only cook pasta, I cannot bake or do anything. I can only cook pasta. But I don't know if the sausage cooked or not. But it tastes so it's okay. I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch now. So see you guys later. Okay? Bye bye. Don't disturb me. And next, we will prepare the rice. So I have 2 mini, like bowls here because I cannot eat a lot. So I do 2, a fun size one, so I can eat finish. So first, right, I'm gonna put the sauce at the base. Then I put rice. Then I put liao, then cheese, then rice. I'm gonna put a lot of layer. Okay, we're done. So now you are gonna preheat the oven and then you bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Baked rice is done. I think it looks pretty legit. So I'm gonna try. I used the pizza cheese, that's why it's so legit. I think it's not bad. But I don't like the sauce. I think it goes well. Yeah, it goes well with pasta, but not baked rice. But still can eat, I still can survive with it. Guys, Hokuge, I learned that you have to appreciate everything you eat. Be it the tapao food or the home cooked food, right? People put in so much effort and time to do. Today I cook until I want to die already. And okay, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, that's all for today's episode. Be sure to like and share this video to your friends. That's all, guys. See you. Bye bye. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna buy rice. I'm not gonna cook rice because I don't know how to cook rice. Understand?